Just a little 20-degree skateboarding. It's 2025, baby. Hope everybody had a good New Year. You guys ever sit at work or at like home and you really want to think of a trick that you want to learn? You think about it where you just have to go out and try it. So I really want to get like nollie half cap nose blunt's good. So I tried nollie kickflip, nollie half cap kickflip nose blunt. And then I was thinking about how to do like front shove it and front shove it to rock, but I want to see if I can front shove it to pivot fakie and front shove it to blunt. Never done that one before. Bushings are a little frozen. Alright, let's get that to pivot or blunt. Oh, maybe this is not the day. Alright, maybe just get a good nollie half cap. Hey, not raining, not snowing yet. It's a beautiful day. Over rotate. Hey, it's not snowing yet. It's supposed to snow later. They've been talking about like 4 inches to 8 inches. So obviously nobody's at the skate park because everybody's at the grocery store because they're full. Because everybody's acting like the apocalypse is upon us because it's gonna snow. Alright, those wind gusts are getting brutal. Literally brutal. Oh, foot's slipping. Just haven't fallen or ain't crap yet. Seriously frozen. Frozen. Woo! Pretty sketched! I got it! This might not be the longest sesh, but at least getting something in regardless of it being 20 degrees out. Not a perfect session today, but at least got some skating in.